Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and now we'll be doing your last love bite for the year. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Sagittarius. And of course, these are general collective readings, right? They won't resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, take what works for you, and leave the rest. So let's begin. Three of Pentacles, Two of Cups, the Empress, the Tower, my God, and the Ace of Cups, wow, center of my spread. I was getting a little worried seeing the first four cards, but having the Ace of Cups center of my spread is giving me a bit of hope. Ace of Pentacles, the Strength card, Three of Swords, and then the happiest card in the deck, Sagittarius, the Sun card, and bottom of my deck I have the Ten of Cups. Well, somebody really wants this badly. Even though I think things haven't been working out, it's been like a connection which hasn't, it's almost like unrequited love till now. Maybe that offer didn't come, or somebody was disrespected. An Empress in reverse is like not having any fertility, growth, abundance in anything. Forget a connection. But the realization is that I still love my person. I still love my person very much, even though there's been no offer made till now. There's no offer. But somebody is trying to hold strong. So somebody is trying to keep all their strength up, hoping that, this heartbreak will end one day. And then there is the Sun card in the end. Let's see what that's all about. I'm going to start, Sagittarius, with some dialogue message cards. Let's see what if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person spirit. One more, please. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. I'm going to take a few more Saggis from another deck. And any of you looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. So, okay. And a couple more from here before we begin your reading. There we have it. Saggis, your first card here says, I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you. So even though I think things have not worked out, somebody's saying, hey, can we make it happen again? I still love and I still miss you. I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid and stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. The next one says, Saggis, when I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. So there's a lot of missing going on. Two cards which have said the same. No matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still the best thing that's ever happened to me. So yes, no new offer, but the love is there. At least from one end. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. I'm afraid of losing you. Please get to know me again. I have changed. Okay, Saggis, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius. Blessing, blessing, guidance, advice, love. I told you, the overall energy of the reading is love. So, I mean, that is goes without doubt. I think the love is there between maybe both of you, but either somebody's been holding back or not offered. So there's a bit of disappointment and a bit of missing going on here. Let's see if that can change. So I'm going to start with the first card here, which says Three of Pentacles in reverse. So why are things not working out, Spirit? Why are things not working out between Saggy and their person? Okay, one more. Okay, I think somebody was expecting their person to take charge of a situation, maybe, be the person who would be in control, be their emperor, but this person maybe did not show up like that. They could have been a bit flaky, they could have been a bit of a player, they could have created a bit of drama, a little in and out, and not really been there to take this connection to another level, right? So things really didn't work out. Maybe they were in third parties. Two of Cups is now in reverse because of that. Yes. Somebody really thought that, this is the person, this is going to be my emperor. This is the person who I'm going to be with for the rest of my life. This is my dream come true, my 10 of Cups, my forever person. But that offer of commitment never came. And that's the reason now there is trouble in the soulmate connection. There's an Empress in the reverse, meaning this Empress has not been given that offer, right? So Empress in reverse, Spirit. Empress in reverse. I think this the so-called emperor or would have been emperor who behaved like a Knight of Wands probably said something or revealed something which made this Empress feel like they had been belittled. They didn't feel victorious in this connection. They felt that person always has to have their way and they don't give me that attention. They don't make me feel important in a connection. This is the Five of Swords in reverse, right? This is one person winning over the other and the other not feeling respected or feeling like they lost. So what's the Tower, Spirit? Tower. Tower. One more. Tower. The Tower is that whoever this Empress is, Sagittarius, they're going through this Tower moment, but there's also that realization that they still, whatever has happened between the two of you, they still don't want this connection to end. They are still waiting, they still want to try one more time. They are waiting, wishing, hoping that that choice will still be made. I think somebody still dreams of being the partner to this so-called emperor. They haven't shown up in emperor mode yet, but somebody is still hoping and wishing that, that offer will be made. Why? Because the love is there. This Empress, this Queen of Pentacles really does love their person, hoping that maybe sooner or later, they'll change. Ace of Cups, Spirit. Ace of Cups. Yes, Ace of Cups is there, but there is a lot of waiting. There is a lot of waiting. When will this person come towards me with a romantic offer? Still wishing and hoping for their soulmate to return back to them. I don't think that's happened yet, Sagittarius, because the Ace of Pentacles is still in reverse, right? So, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles is in reverse because as much as this Empress or this Queen of Pentacles does not want this chapter to end, they're still feeling devastated because that offer still hasn't come. The love is there, the waiting is there, the realization that they still want this Knight of Wands is there, but that offer hasn't come. But somebody is still standing strong, waiting, hoping, wishing. Strength in the upright, Spirit. Yeah, this is the Empress, I would feel, whoever this Queen of Pentacles, they are burdened because they feel I'm carrying from the cards I do see that there is only one person here carrying the entire weight of this connection to say I'm so strong, I will pick up all these ones, right? Sooner or later this conflict will end, and I'm sure they're going to come back. This broken heart between us is going to heal, and we will find peace and happiness once again. So Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, they're hoping. They're still hoping, and maybe also making excuses for this Emperor to feel, or this Knight of Wands to say, yes, they haven't opened up to me yet. Maybe they have difficulty in, expressing their emotion, but I'm going to wait because I choose them. I choose them, and sooner or later they will come and express their emotions to me. We will have a new beginning, and I'm sure things are going to heal between us. So, what's the Sun card then, Spirit? This is the happiest card in the deck. What? Okay. One more. Be careful, Sagittarius. Be careful of self-delusion. This person may just come back. This person may come back, but just to be mindful of the reasons for. Yes, see the Magician in reverse. This could be a bit of a trickster, Sagittarius. You may mistake, if you are the Empress here, you may mistake this person's passion to be like, oh, the fight has ended, now I can finally, sleep better because I don't have to stay stressed about it. Are they really coming in with a brand new offer, or are they coming back only for passion? Yes, it may give you momentarily, they may make you very happy, but be mindful of the reasons. The Wheel of Fortune is still in reverse. I'm just giving you a little bit of warning here. So love is good, but so much of unconditional love, just stay protected as well, because you don't know what I don't know. Let's see. Let me take one more. Spirit, can I have a bit of clarification for Sagittarius? What's the Sun card again? Yes, Spirit says be mindful if yes. Right now you may feel, if they do come back with a bit of passion, that hey, everything is fine, the sun is out again, but it won't be long before they're gone, right? So make sure, Spirit says, see if they're putting in any practical investment into this connection as well, not just coming in for fun and games and tricking this Empress with words or just passion or something like that. Make sure it's not a waste of time. So don't be too eager. Yes, somebody really, really does want this. Let's take a card for this as well. Spirit, what's this Ten of Cups then? I mean, this is a beautiful card to have as an overall energy. So why is that here? Ten of Cups for Sagittarius, overall energy. Exactly. As much as somebody is waiting for this Ten of Cups to happen, hoping and wishing that this is not going to be bad, sooner or later this toxicity between us is going to end. Make sure that the offer of love is genuine, Sagittarius, not just a lie. Okay, it's just a warning. It's not for all of you. That's what's showing up. Maybe just one of you needed to hear that, Sagittarius. I'm sorry, but be very mindful of who you trust now with your heart. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then. Next year then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.